We just completed this boundary surface, which will act as a type of a fillet. And the result is that it smoothly runs in to this edge of the handle, and now this fillet runs up into it, flattening out in this area. This gives us the effect that we're looking for. And what our last step is to knit this boundary in place into the rest of the surfaces, and then finally add a fillet along this edge. This fillet just finishes off as a point just before it hits this surface here. The rest finally is pretty conventional and is similar to the process of the Tide bottle. You simply mirror the front and back, add a top surface. In this case I had to add a fill. I had trouble adding a planar surface for some reason. A bottom surface, knit to solid, a split line for my dent. In this case I offset these edges inward and then added fillets to the corners. These fillets are bigger than these edge fillets. Then I use the dome tool, filleted the edge. Finally, the main bottom fillet. I tried to do a face fillet here to give a more consistent looking fillet, but I had trouble doing so, so just did a conventional fillet, which causes a little bit of an odd bit of piecing in these areas. Finally, the neck of the cap area, and a final shell to a thickness of about 3/4 of a millimeter. And that's all there is.